Hey guys, this is Logan Johnson over at the Rex Wellness Centers. We are eager and excited to welcome our members back into our Wellness Center. Safety and cleanliness have always been and will continue to be our top priority. In this video, we want to show you what you can expect when you return to the Wellness Center. When you arrive, a Wellness Center staff member will do a quick screen and provide hand sanitizer. You will self-check in. Common areas are now marked with floor arrows, signs, and cones to direct traffic one way through hallways, stairwells, lobbies, and other walkways. Please note new traffic flow and the additional hand sanitizers placed around the facility. Inside, we ask that all members and staff stay 6 feet apart from others and 10 feet while exercising, and wear a mask when not exercising. Gym equipment will be spaced 10 feet apart and will be cleaned after every use, which will be shown using a tag system. Green means it's been wiped down and sanitized. Once a member is done with that piece of equipment, he or she will flip the tag to red, which signals for one of our staff to wipe down the equipment. Group exercise will be offered by reservation only, with classes limited to 10 participants, including the instructor. Don't bring your own equipment or mat. We will offer sanitized equipment and mats and will clean for you after you leave. We cannot stress enough the importance of frequent hand washing while at the Wellness Center. And of course, we will continuously be cleaning every surface from doors to elevators. We're committed to giving you a clean, safe environment so that you can focus on your health. We look forward to seeing you again soon.